If you're trying to watch some video on your YouTube Premium and this video is being stopped, this may happen because your picture-in-picture mode is not allowed. So in this video, I'll show you how to activate this option on your Samsung and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very good and easy tip. First of all, open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your apps. Here in your apps, tap on the three dots and locate your special access. After special access, we gotta locate our picture-in-picture, and here make sure that YouTube is activated. So make sure that the switch is turned on. After that, let's open up our YouTube and let's try whether it works or not. So here is our YouTube. Let's choose any video. Now let's drop it into full screen mode. I'm sorry, picture-in-picture mode. And there we are. Everything works correctly. And basically that is it. So you can rearrange it. You can make it smaller, bigger. That's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.